Hey guys, good afternoon. I'm still here on TV5. I just finished my guesting in Bloomberg, where we shared on where the PSEi is, how does the rate hike that may happen in March affect the markets, and also the reserve rate requirement slash of 1%. How does it impact the PSEi, and how does it impact the economy as a whole? And then talked about some of our select stocks as well. So this video was supposed to be something I would have posted yesterday. I was supposed to give you a market update on where the PSEi is headed, but with that, I'm doing it now already. I'm taking the time to make the video now so that you have a context on where the PSEi is headed as well. But before that, also, I'd like to give you just a quick heads up on our events. So the next Stock Smarts will be in Manila in March 3 already, so it's less than 2 weeks from now. So if you are from Manila or Metro Manila or the surrounding cities in Manila and you haven't heard about the event yet, we will be having it in City Grand Garden Hotel in Makati Avenue, March 3, 4, 17, 18, and 24. So a whole round of technical and fundamental analysis for those who are pumped up and primed to trade the markets with confidence. Then after that, first week of April, we'll have Cebu. Then I'm trying to do Korea on the 3rd week. Then 4th week we'll be having Davao. Then on May we will have Stock Smart Singapore. And then later on in June naman, mid-June, we will be having our very first Stock Smarts in Melbourne, Australia. So wherever you are in the world, we'll try to do Stock Smarts training so you guys get to be part of the growth and you guys get to trade the markets with ease and confidence. So where's the PSEi now? What are the news items affecting it? Number one, you know the dollar is now above 52 pesos. 52 pesos already. What does that mean? Number one, I've been mentioning this already for so many months that this is not something that should be a shock to all of us. We already know that if the support at 50 will hold, the target price for the dollar is 52 already. So we should all be past the point that we're above the 52 level already. Should the 52 level hold though, I think from a midterm perspective, the peso could depreciate further and go to around 56 pesos. So let's see how it goes, how it progresses, and let's see how strong that 52 level actually is, or if we retrace back below 52 for the peso. But that was one of the triggers and that caused a lot of market sentiment for the PSEi, that movement for the dollar. And then the reserve rate requirement, you can get the snippet of that from the Bloomberg interview that I had. But essentially the RRR slashing from 20% to 19% will free up money that can be used by banks, that it can be used for loans and other things that can expand, or I guess allow companies, businesses, people who want to buy houses to use, and it can be used for borrowing, which in turn can actually help the economy as well as a whole. So the video on that is in the Bloomberg interview. I'll also post it later on. So, but those were the biggest triggers for the markets in general. Now, looking at the price action, looking at where the PSEi is, yesterday the market was up. Today it's down. As of my last check, it's still down, but this is something that should be expected, guys. Please remember, what we're seeing right now is evidence that the 8,500 support is really a legit support, and what we're seeing right now is the market bouncing or progressing from the support level. So if this continues, you can expect that the market will go to around 8,900 to around 9,000 for the short to mid-term. So for those who are trading this range, as the market nears 9,000, you can use that as a level for you to take profits already. So the take profit point will be 9,000 for those who are trading that range. For those who are following and analyzing the movement of the index, you can expect that it can range and it can just move sideways for that period of time. But again, I still reiterate that if we break out from 8,900 and 9,000 and we stay above 8,900, 9,300 to 9,400 for the index is pretty much in sight. And if fundamentally we grow by 7.8%, the listed companies grow by 7.8%, and we retain a 21.8 PE ratio, that's fundamentally around 9,400 also. So 9.4 is pretty much, for me, pretty much still in the game, but we have to break out from 8.9 and we have to stay above it for us to hit that level. If we don't hit that level, we can just range from 8.5 to 8.9. Now, on the pessimistic scenario though, if 8.5 does not hold, I'll say this over again, that we can go back to 8.1, which is where the strong support is naman. So that's it. A lot of indicators though are still showing you bearishness or sluggishness in the market. So please be selective in your entry and exit points. Do not just come in just because you want it to go up. Pick your spots carefully. Buy as close as you can to the support. The strongest one is around 8,100. So that's it for now. I hope videos like this will give you the courage and the confidence to trade our markets with confidence, because the best way for you to make money in the markets is you know what you're getting into, you don't use your emotions, and you have a strategy based on technical and fundamental analysis. And because you are your greatest asset, the more you know, the more you understand these concepts, the greater your analysis will be, and your buying strategies to make money in the market. So that's it. Not live, but from TV5 in Mandaluyong City. This is Marvin Germo. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon. Yeah!